my name is Rashitha Jayasekara. I work for Rolls-Royce. We are focused on creating better power solutions for a variety of sectors like aerospace, defense and power systems. My role is Chief of Digital Manufacturing for our turbines business unit. My primary accountability is to drive digital transformation and move the business towards Industry 4.0. I'm proud to be part of the manufacturer's Top 100 program, and I'd like to take the opportunity to thank manufacturer and also the Cranfield University for recognizing me. Particularly when I look at the alumni and the fellow Top 100 colleagues at the award ceremony, they're fantastic achievers and top talent in the sector. Actually, I did design engineering as an undergraduate. When I first saw a manufacturing facility, I was fascinated by how people are using practical solutions, innovation and technology to solve big problems in the industry. So I immediately got attracted towards manufacturing. That led me to a career in manufacturing. The biggest challenge I've faced so far in my career would be to convince people that digital manufacturing and digital transformation is the next biggest opportunity for the manufacturing sector. For a sector like manufacturing that has been around for hundreds and hundreds of years, it's very difficult to look beyond what we're currently doing. But with the support of my colleagues and some of the industry experts and some of the learning and growth opportunities I've had, I've been able to overcome those challenges pretty well. Obviously, I'm biased. I would say digital transformation and Industry 4.0 has been the biggest shift in the manufacturing sector. But looking across the various sectors of the manufacturing industry, I do believe the digital transformation has been the biggest shift over the last couple of decades for manufacturing. Looking forward, I think it is going to be about sustainability. Digital transformation has a big part to play in that, but sustainability is going to be the next shift required in the manufacturing sector. I think there are three things. First, the supply chain issues. We're all familiar with that. I think a variety of sectors and industries are experiencing significant challenges around their supply chains due to the current geopolitical environment. So there is going to be some really interesting things happening as the companies respond to supply chain issues. Second thing I would say is about talent. There's a significant talent shortage across the globe, pretty much in pretty much every single sector. So how we're going to create that top talent by reskilling or developing our people that we already have in the organizations. Also onboarding new people through our talent pipeline is going to be a big challenge for manufacturing. Finally, I think sustainability is going to be the biggest challenge, particularly in the medium to long term. How we're going to move that, how we're going to do that net zero transition in the sector. So I would say those are the three big challenges for manufacturing. Yes, I think manufacturing can learn from a variety of sectors, particularly from the big tech. I think we have seen how the big tech companies been really disruptive in a variety of sectors, how they can move innovation and scale those disruptive technologies at a pace that haven't seen in the past. So getting a bit of that agility and innovation and pace into manufacturing is going to be a good thing. I'd like the long-term legacy of the manufacturing sector to be one of saving the planet. As an industry, we have fantastic expertise and capabilities to solve and contribute to solve those big challenges like the climate change, like the food crisis, like the poverty in the world. So I really hope the manufacturing sector's legacy is going to be one of us saving the planet.